Good morning to one and all. Welcome to HM Stocks. Today we are going to discuss about bullish candlestick pattern. Last class we saw what are candlestick, how we read them. Today we are going to read only the bullish candlestick pattern. Bullish candlestick pattern. First one is hammer. A hammer candlestick pattern is found of a short body with a longer wick. See, it's formed of a short body with a long lower wick. Okay, is found at the bottom of the downwards trend. Always you will find this in a downwards trend. Bullish candlestick pattern is always found in a downwards trend. You can't find in a upwards trend. You can't find this kind of hammer. In this, it's a downwards market. This is the first day, this is the second day, this is the third day and fourth day, fifth day, sixth day, seventh day. Each candle represents a particular day. In this downfalling market, you find a hammer like this. Okay, so next, a hammer shows that although that there was selling pressure during the day, ultimately a strong buying pressure drove the price back up. Like there was a full selling pressure, but at this point the buyers entered the market and moved the price upwards. Okay, the color of the body can vary, but green hammers indicate a strong bull market than red hammers. So once you get a hammer like this, that means there is a fully bull power. That means the stock has full value, that it will go up in the direction. So you have to wait for the confirmation. When you get a hammer pattern like this, next you will get another candle. That another candle is the confirmation for you that the market is going in upward direction. By seeing this, you have to always take a buy order here. See, the potential direction is upwards, so the stock price will even more increase in the upwards direction. That is a hammer pattern. Next, we are going to discuss about the inverse hammer. Okay, inverse hammer. A similarly bullish pattern is that inverted hammer. The only difference being that the upper wick is long while the lower wick is short. See, the upper wick is long and the lower wick is short with a small body. Okay, so it indicates a buying pressure followed by a selling pressure that was not strong enough to drive the market price down. So it indicates the buying pressure, and again the sell. So the price started at here, it increased till here, and the sellers then entered the market and pushed the price down to here. But the seller's price was not enough. Again the buyers entered the market and the price from here it drew back to here. It ended at here. So that's what they're saying. It indicates a buying pressure followed by a selling pressure that was not strong enough to drive the market price down. The inverse hammer suggests that buyers will soon have control of the market. That means that buyers are entered at this point. So you have to wait for the confirmation. When you get a confirmation next day, you will get a green candle. So that means you will take a buy order here and the potential direction is upwards. So the price will increase. So this is about inverse hammer. So next, bullish engulfing. So this is the graph. We'll first discuss the topic. So the bullish engulfing pattern is formed of two candlesticks. The first candlestick is short red body that is completely engulfed by a larger green candle. So bullish engulfing is always formed of two candlesticks. Okay, that in the two candlesticks also, one will be green and one will be red. So here you can see there is a red candle and a green candle. It was a downward market. The market was falling continuously. Then what happened, at a certain point there was a red candle, small red candle. Next to that there is a green candle which engulfed the red candle. That means it is almost double the size of the red candle and it has more strength than the sellers. So now buyers have entered the market, the bulls have entered the market. So at this point you have to wait for the confirmation next. Okay, though the second day opens lower than the first, the bullish market pushes the price up, culminating in an obvious win for buyers. So what they have told, the second day opened lower than the first. See, the second day opens lower than the previous day and it engulfs the complete thing, and we'll get a confirmation the next day. The buyers are there. So at this point always you have to take a buy order. So that means the potential direction is also upwards. So at this point, when you take a buy order, there's a 100% chance of the share price increasing and you will gain lots of profits. This is about bullish engulfing. Next, we are going to discuss about morning star. What is a morning star? Okay. The morning star candlestick pattern is considered a sign of hope in a bleak market downward trend. It is nothing but when the market is completely going down, when you get to this pattern, it is a very hopeful trend that the market will move in upward direction and the trend will change. So how to identify this type of candle? So it is a 3-stick pattern. So in this, there are 3 sticks involved. In the previous one, there were 2 sticks. In this, there are 3 sticks involved. So one short bodied candle between a long red and a long green. One short bodied candle. See, in this graph, you can see there is one short body candle with one red and one green. It is between them. Okay. Traditionally, the star will have no overlap with the longer bodies. It will not be overlapping. As the market gaps both on open and close, it signals that the selling pressure of the first day is subsiding and the bull market is on the horizon. So what does this mean? So in this point, it is almost like the price, opening price and the closing price is almost at same point. Like it's a very small candle. After this, when you get a green candle, that means that there are buyers entering into the market. So it have to be almost equal to the red candle, the first red candle, the big red candle. It has almost be equal to the first red candle. Then that is the moment when you have to take a buy order. That means that there's a reverse in trend. The trend is going to be reversed at this point. You have to just observe it cleanly, so that when you observe it, always take a buy order. That's 100% chance that the stock price will shoot up. So the potential direction is also upward. So at this point, I advise you all to take a buy order and earn your profits. So this is about Morningstar. So next, let's discuss about 3 white soldiers. Okay, you can just come to know just with this word, 3 white soldiers. So the 3 white soldiers pattern occur over 3 days. So over 3 days it will be occurring. It consists of consecutive long green or white candles with small wicks. So that means what? They are like very small wicks. See, here you can identify it. These are the wicks as I explained you in the candles video. So these are the wicks, small or no wicks. They can be small wicks or they can be no wicks. Okay, which open and close progressively higher than the previous day. See, for example, this has opened at this point. Okay, it ended at here. So next day where it has opened at same here itself, and it has shooted up to here. So next from here again the candle has started at here on the next day. Again it has shooted up to here. Whenever you find this kind of pattern, it is a sign that the bulls are going to enter into the market. It's a very strong bullish signal that occurs after a downtrend and shows a steady advance of buying pressure. So whenever you get a graph like this, there will be a steady advance in the bulling power. So like that means that whenever you get this, there's more opportunity that the stock price will be shooting upwards only, and there will be no chance of the stock coming down. So this is a very strong bullish signal, very useful, and it's found almost all the time whenever there's a downfall market. So you have to observe these kind of signs to trade. Like whenever you get this, it will be very useful, like very easy, very simple. You just have to give your 10 minutes of your time to just understand the patterns. You have to go to the chart, you have to see it in live. It won't come to you directly as it is. Like you just saw the video, you can directly go and trade. It's not like that. You have to just practice it. You have to know when it's a downward market, when it's upward market. You have to see everything, and you have to take calculative risk, and you have to trade in a safe way. You have to not take many risk. You should trade in a safe way. By learning all this, you can easily get your profits without any risk. So that's it for the day. Next class we'll be discussing about bearish candlesticks pattern. So thank you all. If you have any queries, you can contact us at any time. We'll be available to solve your queries. Thank you.